No, no. I want the Ghostbusters ejected from this facility immediately.
Where's His Honor? We've got news for him and a photo op.
The mayor is indisposed right now. Anything you need to tell him goes through me.
Not happening, Peckaby. This is for Jock and Jock alone. We will wait for him to get redisposal. Why do the good ones always play hard to get?
Oh, wow! It's a Thermian possession event! I haven't ever seen one of these! It's beautiful!
Kinda like the 4th of July in hell.
More possessor ghosts! Kid, you know what to do!
Contact!
That's me!
One more in the box!
They got picked! Bam, bam! In the woods. Still got it! Don't mess with me, man. Incoming! Let's get a move on, kid. We ain't paid by the hour.
Here's nice work, my man. Truly impressive. Of course, I saved the world on my first day. You opened the gate, so let's not get too excited. Early Samaritan. Hey, you hang around and you got long enough.
Pampa estracha noto burn free gorfin.
Wow, Peter sure can pick him. I've heard of being possessive. He's batting 1,000.
These fellas are all black slime. I think you can handle them. These
Man, once again, we get the ugly girl at the bar. That black slime is protecting. We gotta use the slime blower to remove it. Then we can get rid of this bug. Can you open gate 3487? It would be a big help.
3487. 3487? All right, I think we've got it.
There you go. Great job.
Whoa! We're under attack. We'll get back to you.
Thanks, Ray. Remember to stay calm and alert. We don't need a repeat of the Vigo incident. Hey, Ray, we seem to be stuck in a room with no doors. What you got?
Well, I'm looking right at the blueprints and,
Hang on. We have a signal.
just slime the damn thing.